just going to spend a few minutes on Jon-Sorry here. I'm not totally confident because it kind of runs, but it doesn't run great. It's hard to start, it doesn't seem to prime properly, it leaks all over. So I'm not convinced that it's plumbed properly. I may have messed it up, or maybe it wasn't correct when it came here. I don't know. Worked with my best guess as far as the size of the ports and things like that. Anyway, first thing I want to look at is the primer, and it might be hard for you guys to see, but actually cast into the plastic are the words tank and carb. Now it seems odd that the line to the carb would be small, but the port sizes are, you know, they're notably different. So I don't know, we're going to check this first and see if the primer works and, you know, which direction it goes. So a little container of mixed fuel just to avoid contamination, and we're just going to put both ends of this down into here, and when we prime it, hopefully we'll see bubbles from one line and not the other. And we do, we see them. Yeah, there we go. It's actually drawing it through now, and pushing fuel to the line called tank. So that's the way it should actually go, because this should actually draw fuel through the carburetor. So it's going to go basically tank to carburetor to primer and back to tank. So this is actually a return to tank, and that's not necessarily how I had it plumbed up. So now we don't know which way, which is supply and which is return. So we're going to guess, because I don't know. We're just going to guess, because that's what we do. Okay, so we should see fuel, hopefully. We are pulling fuel through the carburetor. So I think we've got it right. We can even try switching it. All right, let's try that. See how slow that returns? That tells us it's wrong. Good. So I'll put those back on, and now I'm going to mark these so that I don't confuse myself later. So now that we know which line goes where, what I've done in the tank here is actually not going to work out so well. So I'm going to have to go in and fix that up, which is a little unfortunate, but it's the way she goes. Sorry, dude. There we go. Okay, it's out. And I need some more fuel line to make that happen, I think. For sure.